It's been a while since we got a lackluster phone from Xiaomi, but last year's Mi 8 fit that bill in several respects. 2019's Mi 9 looks to correct last year's ugly design with a far better looking one that has almost no notch at all, an in-glass fingerprint scanner, and a brand new triple camera system around back. The Mi 9 comes with all the usual upgrades expected in 2019, including a Snapdragon 855 SoC, 6 gigs of RAM, and the choice of 64 gigs or 128 gigs of internal storage. Aside from some absolutely gorgeous and unique color choices for the standard edition, Xiaomi is once again offering a transparent edition that looks as futuristic as something that came from the now-defunct Mass Effect video game series. This transparent edition will cost more, but power users will likely be stoked at the upgrade they're getting. 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of onboard storage. On the front of both is a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio and a water droplet notch that holds a 20-megapixel camera inside. All of this is covered with Gorilla Glass 6 for extra drop protection on the front and Gorilla Glass 5 on the back. Around back is Xiaomi's first triple camera system and is utilizing a similar setup to LG's V40. That main camera is utilizing the amazing 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor we recently saw in the Honor View 20, sitting behind an f-stop 1.75 lens, while that telephoto camera drops to a more standard 12-megapixel sensor with an f-stop 2.2 lens instead. Xiaomi is now also utilizing the super wide-angle lens that LG popularized so long ago, sporting a 16-megapixel sensor with f-stop 2.2 lens that's pushing a 117-degree field of view. Also on the back is an upgraded wireless charging coil that now supports the first ever 20-watt super-fast Qi wireless charging standard, which is actually faster charging than the 18-watt Quick Charge 3.0 wired adapter included in the box with every phone. The battery is an average size for this phone at 3300 mAh, but Xiaomi's battery life is typically solid, especially with MIUI 10.2, which the phone ships with. That in-glass fingerprint scanner underneath the screen is the optical type, so expect performance and accuracy to be nearly identical to what we saw from phones that used this tech in 2018. There's also the assistant button on the side, just like what we saw on the Mi Mix 3, and a handful of other flagships in 2018. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi 9 seems to be a solid upgrade from the Mi 8, one that adds quality features, more horsepower, and fixes that ugly notch from 2018's phone as well. It's certainly not the most exciting 2019 flagship we've seen at this point, but experimental or wildly different is not always what people want. Xiaomi looks to be delivering speed, a solid design, and the best camera experience we've yet seen from the company, especially considering how versatile that triple camera system will be. We hope you enjoyed that hands-on, and we'll check out the rest of them here on the channel. Chat with us in your favorite social media network, and don't forget to check out AndroidHeadlines.com for 24/7 worldwide tech news coverage. Thanks for watching, and until next time.